See, NX is putting cavity regions 129 faces and core regions 28 faces only. Okay, let's see. Set colors. Undefined regions are also 3. That means you need to define these 3 faces where you want to keep this and see, by default NX is also showing you a parting line. NX is suggesting you. Okay, so this can be a parting line. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to RSTOOLS India. I am Rahul and I am going to start a new playlist, a new mold from this video. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. Okay, so new. The part name is CAD chain. Okay, and on desktop I'm saving this file and I'm going to design this mold in layers, not in assembly. Maybe another mold will design in assembly. Okay, so this mold will design in layers only. And you want to watch this video in Hindi language, then I've added a link in description. You can watch this video in Hindi also. Okay, so background white, file, import, parasolid, and this is the file. This is the part. Okay, the plastic is PP, shrinkage is 1.5%, and this is an 8 cavity mold. So in today's video, what we'll do the alignment analysis and we'll do the pattern, 8 cavity pattern. Okay, we'll distribute the part also. Okay, so first I'm going for the analysis directly. Okay, then we'll do the alignment and then the pattern. Okay, 8 cavity. Okay, so analysis, menu, check region. Okay, this is the best command. Calculate faces. See, vertical faces. There's no vertical face. That is better. And undercuts are also there. See, undercut area. Why undercut is coming? See, if I'm analyzing the cavity, if I'm analyzing the part from top side, okay, these are okay, positive angles, no issue. And see here, I have this face, this straight face, and see this edge, this edge. This is the first and this is the second edge. So we can take these two as a parting line. Okay, which one you should take? See, if you're taking top, then you can keep this face, this straight face, maybe straight, maybe not, I don't know. Okay, you can place this face on the cavity easily. But if you're going below this edge, the cavity is getting undercut. So you cannot go below this edge. This is the last line. This is the last edge for cavity. Okay, so below this edge, we need to keep all the parts. We need to keep all the part in core region, the moving off region. Okay. So if you're taking the whole faces, these faces, this face, this face, this face, this face, this face. So this is an undercut also, no? This is an undercut also. So we need to add something to remove this undercut also. Okay. No need to use sliders. Okay. We'll use some different method. Okay. So again, analysis, check region, this part, calculate, face. Vertical face are 0. I know these are the undercuts. Okay, and the positive faces and negative faces. Okay, regions. So NX is putting, see, NX is putting cavity regions 129 faces and core regions 28 faces only. Okay, let's see. Set colors. Undefined regions are also 3. That means you need to define these 3 faces where you want to keep this and see, by default NX is also showing you a parting line. NX is suggesting you. Okay, so this can be a parting line. So if this you're taking as a parting line, then you need to put this face and this face, these two faces on the fixed half side, the cavity side. obviously. Okay, so assign to regions, cavity, this, apply. Undefined regions only, one left. Okay, okay, this, obviously, I need to keep this face on core, so core region, apply. Okay, okay, so undefined regions 0, core regions 29, and cavity regions 131, the best area. Undercut faces are these. Okay, I'm not assigning any color. Okay, I'm keeping all the core colors like this. You can change the colors also, like if you want to change your cavity core color to green, no issue, you can change. See? You can change easily. Okay, assign colors. See? Okay, so I'm putting the blue. Same. Which blue? Okay, no issue. Okay, okay, okay. So analysis is done. Okay, undercuts are there in this part. This is the undercut for me. Okay, and now the alignment thing. We need to align this part. Before starting the alignment, first we'll do the alignment for this area. This area means C, and we'll add the shrinkage also after aligning this. After aligning this. Okay, see, there's a V shape feature in the part. Okay, and this V shape feature is not fully aligned. Aligned means like see, the back face, this face, and this face. I want to align these two in the same line. In a same line. Okay, so I need to calculate the angle. Okay, so let's calculate. Very easy. Okay, let's see. Like I need to draw a line from this center to 0 0. Okay, okay, so I'm using curve line. Okay, the negative is C. NX is not picking the center of that blend. Okay, so you have options. You can create an arc also, or you can create a circle also. Menu, insert, curve, and circle by using point. Okay, so I'm using this point, and this point. Circle lying through all these 3 points. Okay, very simple. Okay, so now I'm using the center of this circle and creating a line from center of this circle to 0 0. I'm using this point along. See, it depends like what you want to use. You want to use a WCS or the displaced part. Okay, so I'm using work part, no issue. Okay, and okay, see, this is the line. Okay, obviously the angle is coming now, see. Okay, another line I'm adding from 0 0, starting from 0 0, same this work part. 2, I'm not adding any point. I'm just creating a line in Y. See, automatically Y is written there, na? Y is catching like this is X, Y. I want to create a line in Y to calculate this angle. This is the angle. Okay, see, this is a look. Like first I've created a line from point to this, and I want to calculate the angle between these two lines. See the angle calculation. Measure angle from this object to this object. I don't want this angle. I want the angle from the top view. This angle I need. This 31 is coming. This is hardly 1 degree. Okay, so what we'll do, there's an option in evaluation plane, angle in WCS XY plane. This is very important. Very nice also. I mostly use this WCS. I'll create a separate video for this. Okay. Okay. So angle in WCS XY plane. This is the angle 1.0032 something. Okay. So information window. Control C, copy. Okay. Now I have the angle. Control Shift K, show this. Okay. Now Control T, move object. This I want to move in angle, keeping the vector Z, that is fixed now. That is fixed. 0.00 I'm taking, and Control V. Okay, let's see. Reverse direction. I think this is in center now. Okay. 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 Let's see. See, that is gone. Gone. Same line. This is the angle. You can delete these curves now. This. There's no need to this now. Okay. So alignment is done. And next thing is, like, I always try to keep the XY plane on parting line. Okay. So I think this is already placed. It's already placed. Okay. Let's see. Let's check. Analysis distance in Z from 00 to this plane. This edge. This is already, that is okay. That is okay. Like you can move also. Like if you want to move, you can directly move it. No issue. Some information window 00 something. There's no need actually. That is okay. That is okay. I'm taking this. Okay, this is okay. Okay. So the first alignment is done. Okay. The next alignment will start with pattern. Okay. So before pattern, let's add the shrinkage in the part, and the shrinkage is 1.5%. Okay, due to the like 1.5% from the database data sheet. Okay. Okay. So home, menu, scale body. This I want to scale, and the shrinkage formula is 1 plus shrinkage divided by 100. Okay, so 1 plus shrinkage is 1.5 divided by 100 means 0.015. 1.5 divided by 100 means this. Okay. Okay. And if you want to keep a separate part also, you can keep, like, see, I'm not adding. Control L, making 61 work layer. Okay, deleting all the categories. And see, on the first, this part is already there. Okay. Now what I'm doing is, like, view, more, copy to layer. This I want to copy. Okay. Destination 2. Okay. Control L. See, in the history also, body is there. That means something is created. Some new body is created. Okay. So 1, F2, component. Part, you can say normal part. Okay. And this F2, shrinkage part. Okay, very simple. Okay, why I'm keeping a separate part? Why? Because you can show the company, like if company is asking you have added the shrinkage or not, so you can show the company this is your without shrinkage part and this is the shrinkage part. You can do like this, no issue. Okay. 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 So let's have the shrinkage now on second part. This is height. Okay, this is for the company only. We'll design the mold in for this part. Okay. Okay, I'm adding the shrinkage now. More, scale body, this same 1 plus 0.015, same formula, and okay, done. So now we'll pattern this. Okay, so before pattern, you should know which pattern you're using of runner. This is 8 cavity mold. Okay, and how much you need to move, how much gaps you need also. Okay, so this is 8 cavity mold, and most of the designers choose this pattern. See, I'll show you this. See, it's first, second, third, fourth, same here. Okay, and we are taking center here, mold center here. Okay, so if you're using this pattern like straight line and this, negative is this is not balanced. This is not balanced. Better to create a balanced runner. Why this is not balanced? See, the distance from part to sprue, this distance is same. This is also same, but this is different. What I want to keep the gate from center equal. I want equal distance from gate from center. Okay, this is not equal. See, that means this is not balanced. The balanced runner pattern is looks like this. This, 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 and this. See this pattern. The gate. This is the gate, and every gate distance is same from center. Same. Same. So we'll use this. Okay. 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 So Control T. I'm moving this part now. Okay. Vector. Distance. Okay. I want to use the diameter also. Radius. How much radius is this? This is radius is 14 point something. Okay. No issue. No need to keep the exact thing. No issue. Like 14.4 is coming, na? I'm taking 15. No issue. 15 plus. How much? Like between two parts. Main runner is there. Okay, so how much you can add? I'm adding 7.5 or 10 you can also add, no issue. Okay, like this. Okay, and okay, again Control T. This. Okay, and 15 plus how much? Suppose the runner is not there. In this area, runner is not there, na? Okay, so I'm taking only 7.5. Okay. Okay, now pattern. Pattern geometry. This I want to pattern. Better this. Lump sum 15 is the diameter. 30. Sorry, 30 is the diameter. Okay. Plus how much? I'm taking 30 also. 30, 35, 40 you can also take, no issue. Okay. Okay, so 35 also you can take, no issue, no negative. Okay, simple. Okay, and okay. Now the last thing is I'm using the mirror geometry. See, you cannot mirror all the parts. Okay, see, like in this part, like the mirror is not coming. That's why I'm using this. Okay, but you cannot mirror all the parts. Like in some parts, when you're mirroring, na, left and right is coming. So you need to take care of that. Okay, so sheet to solid, this plane, this. Okay, another mirror, like mirror geometry again, this. Okay, this distance is lump sum 36. Okay, this is 15 because the runner is not there, no? This distance is around 20. Okay, this pattern will use. Okay, okay, so Control L, second, putting all the parts in, second, solid body, Control J, second, okay, Control L, second. The pattern is done. Okay, okay, so in this video we have covered the analysis and alignment. That's it for today's class. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to learn the mold designing, please contact us.